Hi friends, welcome back to my other Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make a pencil drawing from photo in Adobe Photoshop. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below. And hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, double click and select this image. And hit open. Cool. Grab the layer on new layer icon below to duplicate the same layer. You can also hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to Adjustment Layer Options and choose Hue or Saturation. Here reduce the saturation to -100. Now select the copied layer. And go to Image. Adjustments, and choose Invert. You can also hit Ctrl I to invert. Go to Blending Modes and choose Color Dodge. Perfect. Now go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Here change the radius value to 30 pixels. And press OK. Now go to Adjustment Layer Options. And choose Levels. Here slide this input options to the right like this. Cool. Hit Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E for Composite Snapshot. Now the time to clean up around the character. Set the foreground color to white. Take the brush tool. Opacity should be 100%. And brushing around the character like this. You can also use open bracket to decrease the brush size and close bracket to increase the brush size. Now the time to see the final result. Thank you and need your support.